Good morning, everyone out in their farms or homesteads, doing what you gotta do on this bright early morning. Well, it's not really that early, it's like 9 o'clock. Yeah, this is yesterday's makeup. That's what happens. It is what it is. I'll put on makeup later. We have chickens to feed. So some of them we've gotten done already, as the escapees needed to be retrieved so the dogs could go out and go to the bathroom. So that's what happens. But I don't know where everybody's watching from, but here in Florida, we have been blessed with 57 degrees this morning, which is awesome because it has been so hot, and we'll complain when it's so cold, and then we'll be like, where's the warm weather? This is our Duclays. Can I turn this camera around? Yes, I can. These are the Duclays, the Millie Fleurs. Oh my goodness, guys, I forgot the scooper. All right, well, I guess we'll just dump. This will be interesting. Hold on, guys. Gotta put the camera down. All right. I think we'll go back and get the scoop. That is the Millie Fleurs. And let's go get the scoop, and then I'll show you the other ones. So this guy here, that's Rico. Yeah, he's Rico. I think he's a full-size Cochin, but he's just out here protecting the younger ones, since he seems to be okay with that. It's our bunnies. I'll show you in just a minute. I gotta get this scooper. All right. It's walkie walk. Rico. These guys are actually only about going on 6 months. These are the mottled Cochins, full size. These are the ones that escape into the dog yard. These are the culprits. They keep the dogs from going out in the morning. This is our, oh my goodness, open the door. Gold Sea Brights. Aren't they adorable? And they don't need food, but we'll make them think I'm giving them more. They're beautiful. And so this is the baby yard I'm in right now. And the Sebastopol's kind of hang out here until, I don't know when until. And this is our bird feeder for our northern visitors that are coming down here from the north. Thieves trying to steal food. Here. There you go. Let's go check out the bunnies. Knopf hibiscus. Isn't it beautiful? I've done videos on it. It just like cascades over the fence. It would cascade further, but the geese are eating it back, which is good. And we will show you the bunnies. I'm going to pause for a second because I got to put the camera down. Okay, so this is what I'm trying out for the rabbits that you don't see because they're over there. These are French lops, and let me see if I can show you. This is what they're doing. Digging a burrow. Pretty sure she's pregnant. We're gonna see how it goes. But let's get them fed. These are my favorite bunnies. The only bunnies I have right now. Excuse me, ma'am. Don't do that. I gotta move it. She don't want to get off of it. Okay. You gotta move. Gotta move, baby. It's a pain to climb in. You gotta move, sweetie. Alright, give them water too. They had water bottles, but for some reason they don't want to drink out of them, so that's fine. I got a bowl. And that's probably way too much food, but they're big. I'm going to set the camera down, so it's going to be a funky angle. Let's see, where can I set it? It's going to fall. Yeah, it shut off. Alright, so I'll do it one-handed. No biggie. We'll watch the bunnies eat while I get their water. It actually looks like, as I'm looking at it from this angle, that the bunnies are burrowing a little bit to the right. Ugh. Now the hose is in the way. Yes, you troublemakers. Take a look at that. Let's see. Yeah, a little to the right. So we'll have to check the back of the cage to make sure they're not going to come out the bottom. But these are the French slops. The big rabbits. Alright. Let's move on. What else we got to do? We have to do the pools. And I know that it's going to heat up fairly quickly. Even though it was nice and cool, it's still Florida. I like to make sure that they have clean water every day, because the chickens, the younger chickens that I keep out here, they also use this as a drinking source. So, even though they have buckets, they will drink out of here instead. These are our grow outs. Some more mottled cochins. They're just not quite as big yet. There's a Houdan. Let's see if I can look. Some Polish, gold lace. There's the Houdan to the right. And they stay in here for now. They'll be out soon though. They're getting big. And then we put some younger ones out here yesterday. Let's see. Those are Appenzeller Spitzhaben and a couple of Easter eggers. Oh, what is he doing in there? Come on, guys. My little makeshift pen. That mottled cochin is not even supposed to be in there. I'm not sure how he managed that one. But he's in there. And then, so that's a candy corn Polish. Let them out to roam around a little bit. There's another one, but he hid in there. life on a farm. You see a lot of poop. Poop! Poop. Poop everywhere. And over here, on this side, is where the goats live. Oh, I see I didn't latch the gate. Good thing I'm doing a video. We would have had goats out here. That is Faith. That's Sadie. That is Macy. Grace. And in there is baby girl. And then that duck is in here because she was being overbred and she couldn't walk because, you know, they kept trying to breed her. So she's been in here, and as you can see, she's fully recovered. And as soon as I can get that door open, I'll put her back. Good morning, ladies. These are all girls in here. Oh my goodness, you need privacy? You gonna pee? Whoops. We don't want to watch you pee. So there's Faith. Oh, don't look at Grace. She's peeing. And here's Sadie. Sadie girl. Sadie. Oh, you done? Okay, hi. Okay. Well, that is what we're doing this morning, enjoying this beautiful weather. So I am going to finish up this pool that's almost done, do the tiny pool, and go grab my coffee to come out and do the rest. All right, guys, till next time, be safe.